Moral of the story, doors in Malaysia have batteries. Now you know. Hello, good morning, good afternoon guys. Good afternoon guys. We are in Kuala Lumpur still. Yes. Not much happening today, to be honest. I've been for a run, then got locked out of an apartment for a good 2 hours. So the day's kind of disappeared more or less, but it was going to be a non-day anyway. Yes, but I'm going to go out. I am hungry and we need water. So I'm going to go down there, this one, and try it and see what we can find there. Kind of been past it a couple of times. It looks quite interesting, very local, very maybe Malaysian, maybe. It does have a Malaysian flag outside. So maybe. But then also going to go there, but we've already been there. You've already been there, I've already been there, everybody's already been there. Going to get some water there. Maybe some other products and things. But yeah. So quite a short one, probably. Depending on how much I eat, I guess, down there. But yeah, we'll head down there now. Alright, see you there, yeah, what? Okay guys, so we're just heading down now. Here's the elevator, we've already been in that. But yeah, I just wanted to explain maybe something I mentioned just before, which was the excitement that happened. So I ran all the way to the Petronas. Wow, which you, there, over there. Ran around the park four times. In about 30-degree weather, right? So I'm sweating. T-shirt is literally dripping. I'm literally dripping wet. We've only got one key for the room. Asha was up in the room. So I have to text her, you know, hey, come down to get me, etc. So she comes down. I'm dripping. We come up. Yes, okay, great. We're almost there. Get to the room. Boom, key doesn't work. Boom, key doesn't work. It doesn't make a noise, so that's just me making an abrupt warning sign that didn't actually work. We then message our people. Oh, it looks like there's going to be somebody getting on the lift with me, maybe. I may have to finish the story on the way back outside. 1 second. Okay, so we're down on the ground. It feels like it's going to rain. Where was I? Yes, so let's say I'd run 3, 4, 2 more, 6, let's say 7, 8 kilometers, right? Dripping wet, 30 degrees. Actually, on you know, if you look on what is it? AccuWeather, the real feel, so 30 degrees, real feel 38 degrees. Just imagine that. Running 2 hours, about 8 kilometers, coming back, thinking you're going to have a nice shower, and the keycard doesn't work. The people say, we text the people, hey, it's not working. Oh, can you do a video for us to show it's not working? It's not working. Okay, yeah, it's not working. Correct. Then we have to wait for like an hour for them to turn up, unlock our place, and replace the battery in the door. Yeah. I mean, luckily, I didn't just have to drip wet all over the carpet, because we did have a swimming pool on the top floor. Okay, so it's not all bad news. Right, we got to be in the swimming pool. I am going to go here for food. I might actually go here first. So yeah, I got in the swimming pool. Obviously Asha's with me as well, so she's locked out as well. We're both locked out, both up at the swimming pool. I'm dripping wet, so there's outdoor showers, luckily. An outdoor shower in my running gear. And then got in the pool and waited it out. So yeah, it worked, it was okay. But you know, that's like a good 2 hours of the day kind of disappeared because of a flat battery. Didn't know doors could have flat batteries. But you know, you learn something new every day, especially in Malaysia. Yeah, it wasn't that big of a thing. Like, you know, we didn't have to be anywhere. We weren't pressed for time. All I really wanted to do today was go to the shop, go to that shop, go for the run, and do some editing. So, I mean, the editing I haven't even started yet, but that'll be after dinner, after lunch. Anyway, that's the story, that's the rant, that's the thing. Moral of the story, doors in Malaysia have batteries. Now you know. Okay, so we're gonna go in there. I mean, you've been in there, we've been in there, everybody's been in there. So yeah, I'm not gonna really show you around. I might show you what I got afterwards, how much it was, and then we'll head over for some food. One way. I went the wrong way. Fair enough. I guess that's, you know, it's kind of the same like Indonesian systems. One-way systems maybe don't apply necessarily. Anyway, although there are ins and outs of the shop. Wonder if that makes any difference. Okay, well, we're gonna go in there. Yeah, I'll show you what I got, then I'll go over and to the food place. Nice. Okay guys, got loads of stuff. All of this, all some goodness. Yeah, but I'll show you it over there. I'm gonna go over there. Maybe I'll sit outside. I'll go have a look, see what they've got there actually, and then we'll try and work it out. Okay, let's see. Oh gosh, someone's got a big cleaver. It's a good start. Okay guys, so I have ordered. When it comes, I'll let you know what it is. But something we've had quite often. As you can see, it's just started raining. We're just here, this place. Probably should have gone in there actually, but this is also fine. Yeah, I'm not getting wet. So that's fine. But yeah, food's coming. Not getting wet. I'll show you all this stuff I got. Wow, why didn't I order that? Just found something really good. Somebody else had it, but I just read what was on the board, and something that I actually knew. The rest looked pretty good, but maybe not quite as excited about this place as I was about the other guys over the other place. Obviously this is kind of more, I guess, like it's all Indonesian, you know, normal, or like I guess Malaysian style food, which we've had a lot of. Whereas I guess the other guys over the other corner, they're more kind of Indian, I guess, sort of style. Maybe Pakistani style, I'm not sure. Anyway, yeah, when it turns up, I'll let you know what it is. Anyway, I got 2 of these orders. 1 milk, full cream, Dutch lady, one of these, Listerine, toothpaste, body wash, shampoo, all of this. Costs around 45 ringgit. Like £9-ish. Not a bad price, you know, for a local shop. Yeah, usually with all these things, they kind of cost quite a lot. Water costs basically nothing. But look what I got. The lady just dropped it off. Oh my gosh. If you do or do not know, I don't know, maybe you do. But since discovering they've got horlicks, I've just been all over it. Yeah, I think it just brings back childhood memories basically. Tastes really good. I don't know what the origins are. Obviously it's not in Indonesia. Why is it such a big thing here? Yeah, they do also have lassis here, which is also, you know, I guess the Indian influence, but horlicks, I don't know. Maybe it's like kind of a Muslim milk bar, non-alcohol type situation. You know, like for example in London actually, there's quite a lot of like cake and shake shops. Well, not a lot, but there's a few. And they're kind of places where like Muslim people who do not drink I could come and like hang out as if it's a bar, you know, so it's a milk bar kind of situation. But maybe that's what it is. Maybe that's what it's all about. You know, you can sit around, you can drink your horlicks, and it's non-alcoholic. I don't know. Maybe some other reason. Maybe let me know. I mean, I know horlicks itself like has a lot of vitamins and stuff like in it. That's kind of what it's all about. That's why I probably used to drink it as a kid. I'm not sure. Cool. Well, that's enough about horlicks. I mean, it is amazing, but you know, that's enough. Cool. Cheers, guys. We're just waiting for the food. Told you all about that. Told you about this. It's raining. We're waiting. Okay, guys. So here's the main event. Obviously got an egg, telur, as we know. Ayam, chicken, as we know. And nasi, which is rice, as we know. And nasi goreng. So fried rice, egg. Ooh. And good spice to it. I was wondering if they were going to make it spicy or not. Wasn't quite ready for that. But yeah, so chicken, an egg, fried rice. And it's good, and it's spicy. Oh. Look, you can see there's a chili there, right there. Chili. I thought actually Malaysian food was sweeter. But maybe it turns out that it's spicier. I don't know. Or maybe like the Indonesian in Bali is actually like tourist spice, you know? So not too spicy. This is proper spice. Anyway, chicken. Yeah, it's really good. Kind of almost smoked and then deep fried. I think. Yeah, really good. Maybe just the chilies were on top or something, I'm not sure. What else have we got in here? A little bit of greenage. Not too much though, you don't want too much green. Cabbage, green stuff, and chili. Nice. Yeah, really good. Really good. Really good. There is a reason why I came here, and I'll show you it in a sec. But I'll eat this and then I'll show you. I'll go pay and I'll show you what it is. Alright? Sure. Sweating. There's a lot more chilies in there that I found. It's all gone though, don't worry. There are a couple of chilies hiding there I couldn't quite stomach. But yeah, we're done. Gonna take all my stuff. Get out of here. But I'm gonna show you something. Just did some I'll show you. 1 second. I'll just go and pay and then I'll show you. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna tell you just about these things. Here, torpedo, this one and this one. So yes. So torpedo. Well, no, let's start with the what is it? Linda Gambing and Linda Lembu, right? Okay. So, camping. Yeah. Follow me. Camping is goat, I believe. Lembu here seems to be beef. Maybe it's just a different type of beef. I'm not sure. And then Linda is tongue. So that would be beef or goat's tongue. I'm just walking home as well because I was kind of standing in the middle of the restaurant. Everybody was looking at me. So I thought I might do this little chat on the way home. No, what was the other one? Ah yes, well, and those are all soups. So soup, S-U-P, obviously is soup, right? That's pretty simple. Worked that one out. So, soup. We then come to, oh gosh. Soup. torpedo. Which is kind of the reason why I went there. I did not partake in the torpedo soup, but I just thought if it was there, it would be, all the rest of the food would be fairly authentic to a degree. So it's camping. So again, it didn't say camping there. Didn't say it, but I know. I've been told what it is. Basically it's goat, penis and testicles. It's at least the penis, but I've heard, yeah, it's either called rocket or a torpedo, and it's supposed to be both penis and testicles of a goat. Now, I don't know. I'm up for trying loads of like new things, right? I will try anything, generally speaking. But I think I might have to draw the line there. I think that might be the line that I can't cross. But you know, I don't know, maybe it's really tasty, maybe it's full of virility, you know. I mean, I know that in other cultures they eat various animals' genitalia, shall we say, you know, because it contains a lot of something. I don't know if that something is something that I would want. Anyway, just thought I'd give you the heads up. If you see soup torpedo or soup rocket on the menu in Malaysia, just have a think about it. I mean, you can do what you want. Maybe that's what you want. If that's what you want, that's what you want. For me, yeah, I don't know. I mean, they chop it up apparently, so maybe you don't know what it is. But I don't know. Still, I don't think I could do it. That food, so I also got another water because I actually drank through half the water that I was supposed to take upstairs. So the food, so the horlicks, the NASI goreng special, which was mee goreng, chili, definitely chilies, ayam, chicken, and telur, which is egg, was, I think that was 10, and then I think the horlicks was 5 or 4, because then it, so in total it was 15.50 basically for the water, the horlicks, and the food. So yeah, it's a pretty good price. What was that, £3? I mean, it's not, you know, I don't think it's quite as cheap as sometimes with places we've been in Malaysia, but I guess I don't really have that drink, you know, the drinks so much. Yeah, I'm always looking for the cheapest thing that you can ever get. But also trying good food and having good food, you know, is also on my menu, you could say. Anyway guys, that was it. That's the video basically, because I gotta go do some other stuff. I'm gonna just do some boring stuff, editing and maybe some sleeping, talking to my parents probably. Yeah, so that's kind of it. So thanks for watching, subscribe, yeah, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, keep on drifting. Catch you later guys.